So our business was born in 1980, which means we're 43 years old this year. We've been through 2 recessions and a pandemic, and our model has stood the test of time. Not just survived, but thrived in some conditions. Some of our franchisees have been with us for 10, 20, 25 years. And I think that's a testament to the fact that they are achieving what they want to do out of the business. They get the lifestyle that they want. They get the revenue or the income that they want. But combined, all those years together actually create hundreds of years of experience of running successful domestic cleaning businesses, which they're happy and willing to share with new franchisees when they join our network. We have a real family ethos within the business, which is quite different from some corporate setups. We have a very close relationship. I have a close relationship with franchisees that were my peers as franchisees before I became the franchisor. All of the new franchisees that join us have my phone number. I will have trained them, I will get to know them. I'm available to support them because I have still day-to-day experience of what it takes to run a franchise business. Poppies franchisees come from a variety of backgrounds, with aviation engineers, with people who were store managers, with people who were in personnel, with people who were in sales. What our training structure allows us to do is to focus on the skills that they need and recognising the skills that they bring to our business so that we can get them into a successful role. The key thing we're looking for is people skills in our franchisees. Ours is a people business through and through, and the relationships that our franchisees build with their staff and the relationships they build with their clients are absolutely key to the success of their business. So don't have to be academic, don't have to be a super salesperson, just have to be a person. The flexibility of our training, which is always delivered by a team of people who have done the job themselves, they understand the fundamentals of how to run a Poppies business. That training can be tailored to suit the individual need of the franchisees when they join us, so we can help give them and develop the skills that they need to be successful in our business. Our family ethos in Poppies means that everybody has my phone number. Everybody knows everybody else. Our head office team have been there and done it. They've worked in an operational business. They understand how the business works. Our training is tailored to suit the individual needs of those franchisees who join us. And all of this means that we give them the best chance of success when they open their business.